Good morning students. Today we are discussing about carbon paper for all science faculty departments in 5th semester. This is 5th semester carbon paper for all science students. So the title of this paper is Verbal Reasoning for Aptitude Test. Right? In this the first unit is numbers and diagrams. So the subtopic is number series. Right? In Hindu system, the numbers are like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 are called as a numbers or simply digits. So it is having single digit. Single means only one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these total 10 numbers are called as a digits. So the group of these digits is called as numeral. Numeral means group of digits. Group of digits. For example, so the numbers is 0 to 9. For example, 6, 4, 9, 7. So these 7 is a single digit and 9 is a single digit, 4 is a single digit and 6 is also a single digit. But the total group of these numbers, the group of this number is called as a numeral. This can be studied as 6497. So this 7 is stands for 10 power 0. Next 9. So this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 6400, 9 tens and 7 ones. So the total value is 6497. Right? So this 6497 is called as a numeral. So in this numeral, the single values, that is 6 is a digit, 4 is a digit, 9 is a digit and 7 is also a digit. The total group of these digits is called as a numeral. Right? So in this series, find the missing numbers in the following series. Now we have to finding the missing numbers. So this dash can be denoted by a missing numbers. Right? In these problems, first one is, so the first problem, that is 1, 6, 15, 1 comma 6 comma 15. Then next number is 45 comma 66 comma 91. Now we have to find the missing number in the following series. Right? So the solution is, the first one is 1 and second one is 6. Right? So the difference between these two, 1 plus 5, that is 6. Right? The next number is 15. What is the difference between these two numbers? 6 plus 9, that is 15. Right? So the difference between these two numbers is 5 plus 4, that is 9. Right? So the next one is 9 plus 4, that is 13. So that is 13 plus 13. So 15 plus 13, that is 28. Right? 13 plus 4, that is 17. So that is 17. 28 plus 17, that is 45. Plus 4, 17 plus 4, 21. So 45 plus 21, that is 66. And 21 plus 4, that is 25. So we can adding 25 to the 66, we can get 91. Right? So once again, the series is 1 comma 6 comma 15. Now we have to find out this empty space value, then 45, 66, 91. For this following series, we can find out the value of missing term. So here is missing. Right? So the first one is 1 and second one is 6. So the difference between these two digits is 5, right? So the difference between these two is 5, the difference between these two is 9, right? The difference between these two, 66 minus 45, so that is 21, right? 91, 66, the difference between these two digits is 25, 66 plus 25, that is 91, right? So the order, so adding plus 5, right, then 9, so 5 9 difference is 4, so adding 4, so increasing the term, that is 5 9 13 17 21 25, right? For the following series the missing term is 28. So this is the first problem, right? Next, the second one is, so the problem number 2, the following series is 2 comma 5 comma 9 comma 19 comma 37, right? So then we have to find out the next term in the following series, right? So 2 5 9 19 37, then we have to find out the next term. So the solution is, right, so this is 2, right? 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 4 plus 1, that is 5. So that is next term, right? Next, this one is 5. So 5 into 2 minus 1. So 5 into 2, 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. So that is second term, right? The next term is 19, that means, so the value is 9, so 9 into 2, so where it is taking plus 1 then minus 1 then plus 1, so 9 into 2 is 18 plus 1, that is 19, right? So this one, and the next term is 37, we have 19 value, so 19 into 2, so plus minus plus then minus 1, that is 19 into 2, 38 minus 1, that is 37. So this is the order. So this one is multiplying with 2 plus 1, that is next term. This one into 2 minus 1, then next term. So where it is into 2, either plus 1 or minus 1. So this is plus 1 minus 1, then plus, then minus, then 37. So 37 into 2, so plus minus, then plus 1. So 37 into 2, 2 into 7, 14, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 74 plus 1, that is 75. So this is the missing term in the following series. So the 75 is the missing term in the following series, right? So once again, 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, the next term is 75. So the solution is 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into 2 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 2 plus 1, that is 19. 19 into 2 minus 1, that is 37. The next term is 37 into 2 plus 1, that is 75. So that is question number 2. The next one is 4, 8, 28. The next one is 4 comma 8 comma 28 comma, next one is 80 comma, the next one is 244. Find the next term in the following series. So the order is like this: 3 into 1, so 3 square is 9, so that is 8. 3 cube means 27, that is plus 1, that is 28. So this is the order in third, that is 3. So that is solution is, so we can get first value is 4, right? So 3 into 1 plus 1, right? So that is 4. 4 that can be 3 power 1 plus 1. Simply 3 power 1 plus 1, that is 4. Next 8 means 3 power 1 plus 1. The next term is 3 square minus 1. So 3 square means 9 minus 1, that is 8. So this term. First one is 3 power 1 plus 1, that is 4. The next term is 3 square minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, that is 8. Next one is 28. So that is 3 cube plus 1. That is 3 cube means 27 plus 1, that is 28. Right? The next term is this one. Next one we can get 80. So the value of 80 is 3 power 4. So 3 cube means 27. So 3 power 4 means 27 into 3. That is 81. Then minus 1. That is 81 minus 1. That is 18. Right? 3 power 4 means 27 into 3. So 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 81. So that is 81. Next 81 into 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 into 8, 24. So that is 3 power 5 plus 1. That is 243 plus 1. That is 244. Right? Then 244. The next term is where it is increasing the order 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4, 3 power 5. The next term is 3 power 6. So that is 3 power 6. So where it is plus 1, minus 1, then plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, then after minus 1. That is 243. 3 power 5 means 243. Then 3 power 6 means into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 729. So this is 729 minus 1, that is 728. So the next term is 728. This is problem number 3. And the last one is problem number 4. This is important problem for competitive exams, that is fourth one. That is 10,000, comma 11,000, comma 9,900, 9,900, comma 10,890, comma last one is 9,801, 9,801. Then find the next term. So in this question we have to observe that 10,000, 11,000. The value is increases first 10,000 to 11,000. Then 11,000 to 9,900. So that is decreasing. Then again increasing 10,890. Then again decreasing, that is 9,801. Then again increasing. The value is above the 9,801. Right? So the first one is solution. First one is 10,000. Right? 10,000. So the value is increasing first term to the second term. So that is plus 10 percentage of 10,000. 10 percentage of 10,000. That is equal to the 10,000 plus 10 percentage of 10,000. Percentage means by 100. So 10 by 100 into 10,000. Right? So these two zeros cancel. Then 10,000 plus 10 into 100, that is 1,000. So we can get the next term, that is 11,000. So we can, taking 10,000, we can get 11,000. So this term and this term. Right? So the next term is decreasing. So the value of 9900 is less than the value of 11,000. Then we have to taking minus. So we are taking 11,000. So the next value is decreasing, that is minus 10 percentage of 11,000. That is equal to the 11,000 minus 10 percentage. Percentage means divided by 100 into 11,000. So these two zeros gets cancelled. That is 11,000 minus 10 into 110, that is 1100. So 11,000 minus 1100. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So 0, here 1, we are taking 10, 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 10 minus 1, 9. So that is 9,900. So this is next term. Right? The value from 9,900 to the 10,890. The value is increasing. So taking plus. So 9,900 plus 10 percentage of 9,900. That is equal to the 9,900. So that is plus 10 percentage means 10 by 100 into 9,900. So these two zeros gets cancelled. That is 9,900 plus 99 into 10, 990. So that is 9,900 plus 10 into 99, 99 into 10, 990. So that is 0, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 9 plus 1, 10. So that is 10,890. So this is 10,890. So the next term is decreasing. So that is minus. So that is 10,890 minus 10 percentage of 10,890. So that is 10 by 100 into 10,890. 10,890. So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So that is 10,890 minus, so these are cancelled, that is 1,089. Right? So 10,890 minus which value is 1089. 1089. So 10 minus 9, 1. Where it is 8, 8 minus 8, 0. So 8. 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 9,801. So this one. 9,801. Now we have to find out the next term. So the value is first increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Then again increasing. So the value of plus. So 9,801 plus 10 percentage, that is 10 by 100 into 9,801. Right? So this is 0, 0 cancel. So that is equal to 9,801 plus 9,801 by 10, that is 980 approximately. So that is 9801 plus 980. So that is 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 9 plus 1, 10. So the term is 10,781. So the missing term in the following series is 10,781. So this type of questions are asked in all the competitive exams like banking sector, groups, VRO, VRA. In this type of exams we can ask these type of questions. The next class will be continued tomorrow. Thank you.